Hi, I'm Bernie Wild, one half of Wild on the Go. Susan's currently off camera doing some planning. We're in the Lewis and Clark National Historic Park in Northwest Oregon, all the way up at the top, right at the Pacific Ocean. We're planning on heading into Washington State very soon. In the meantime, I'm going to share with you some of the items that we've been using lately that we've found very, very practical and helpful. First up is this tray. Now it attaches to the steering wheel, and then you can put your food on it. If you go through a drive-thru and get some fast food or something, or if you just have your lunch packed, you can just put it on that. Of course, when you're stopped off the side of the road, you don't want to do it while you're driving. And then you can turn it over on this side, and you can actually put maybe a small laptop or a tablet or your cell phone or something like that on it, do some work. And one of the reasons why you want something like this is because the driver has the steering wheel in the way most of the time, and there's not enough room always to have just a normal tray. And Susan will often just have a regular cafeteria style tray on her lap, but this just helps so that I can attach it to the steering wheel. And what I really like about it is that it's not going to fall. And it's got kind of a lip there, so everything just sits in there and it works very well. And this particular one came with this little handy dandy trash can. It just collapses and then the band goes around it, and it's double lined. We just normally put a little trash bag in it, and on the bottom of it, it's got Velcro. We've been able to just put that right down on our console area, or right there in the floor there, and it stays put, and we like it. It gives us a place to put our trash and then empty it periodically. If you get one of these trays, you're going to want to make sure that you get the size that's appropriate to your steering wheel. I had to do some measurements, and I'll put some links that'll help you with that. But anyway, I got the size that fits mine. And some of these you'll also want to be sure that you get one that doesn't have really sharp edging right here, because it can scratch or damage the leather or plastic or rubber, whatever you have on your steering wheel. But just be sure to check the sizes and double check and make sure that you're getting the right size for your vehicle and steering wheel setup. Next up is this anti-slip dashboard pad. These are really, really helpful. Now, one of the reasons why we got this is we used to put things on our console and they would just roll off into the back seat or something of that nature. And then we got this net thing that we've introduced in a previous video, and we put that there, but it still doesn't keep things from rolling off to the side or whatever. So we can put this right on our console even, and put some objects on that and not worry about those rolling off when we're going down the road. And then Susan will put one of these on the dashboard at her side and put her cell phone up there, or sunglasses, whatever she needs to put up there, and it just absolutely keeps them from going anywhere. It is very sticky. It does not leave a film or anything on your objects that you put on it, but it's very sticky. This is another one that we have. We've got one in the truck right now in use. But we absolutely love these things. It just really makes life easy going down the road. We don't have to worry about things flying all over the place when we're on a bumpy road, and we tend to be on bumpy roads. So this is really helpful. Have a look at this. This is a screen. It is made to go over top of our door, over top of the window, and it slides down like you'd put a pillowcase on. And it can keep sunlight out when the window's down, when the tinted windows are down. And it also serves to keep out bugs and flying insects and things like that. We've recently been in an area that is just inundated with mosquitoes, and they're very vicious and very annoying. And so this keeps them out. And we just slip it over, and it's just very easy to use, and it's very durable. It comes in a 2-pack, the particular one that we got, and a little carrying sack so we can just put it away. And it's very, very stretchy and nice. It's substantial fabric. I was worried at first that it was going to just be very easy to tear, and maybe not be effective enough for little no-see-ums and stuff, but it's absolutely wonderful. It does the job. It allows fresh air to come in without worrying about too much sunlight or bugs in that. Now you're going to want to make sure that you get the right size for your vehicle. I'll put some links in the description, and when you get there, you'll see that they come in different sizes depending on which vehicle you have, so pay particular close attention to that. I just went out with a tape measure and measured real quickly and was able to get the correct size. So these are just useful. So these are mini condiment containers. They're absolutely small, but not too small that you can't carry enough condiments in it. So we love this size. We use these while traveling. We'll have them in our little refrigerator that we carry around in the truck. You can keep them in a cooler or whatever. And we like them because we like to add the condiments when we're ready to eat. And sometimes when we get takeout or some type of food from some place that we don't particularly like the condiments that they use, we'll get it plain, and then we can add our own particular type of mayo or mustard or whatever that we like without all the additives, let's say, in it. So it just makes it very useful in that respect. And then these little jars, these are really nice. I have some smaller ones that we'll carry in our packs and stuff, but this is good. Like right now I've got some Hatch green chili pepper flakes in it, and we like to throw that on a pizza if we have it, or anything that we just want to season up. And sometimes we'll put some like Cajun spice or something like that in here or whatever. Susan might put some salad dressing in that to carry her own, so that we don't have to use whatever they have where we get a salad. So these are just very compact and easy to wash. They're just made out of really good durable materials. We like them quite a bit. They're all from the same company, and so we'll put links to that in the description. For this last item, I'm actually going to climb into the truck to show it to you, because I've got it mounted on the dash and it's just where I want it, and I don't want to mess it up. It's this dashboard mount for a cell phone. Now, we'll use this going down the road for navigation purposes, but often when we're pulled over, we'll go ahead and play a movie or just a video on this, and I can point it to where both Susan and I can see it, and it's very durable. It holds tight. I've had a few other ones that just don't grip. This one grips so well, and it's easy to take on and off, and then it's flexible. And then it opens up wide enough to put my cell phone in it, even with the case on. So I like that quite a bit. Very useful item. Highly recommend it. These are just a few of the items that we've recently purchased and are putting to good use. We'd love to read your comments about what you think of them, or any others that you'd like to share. Please remember to share, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and click on that little notification bell. Thanks for watching. These are some of the items that we recently purchased and we're putting to good use. We absolutely don't know what we're saying next. These are just a few of the items that we recently butchered.